Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $6 every 9 seconds. And the best part is no surveys. So if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes, no, not sometimes, every month I give away some free money. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And do me one other favor. This really helps me out too. Hit that like button. Because if you hit that like button, it's going to help my channel and help out this video. So help me out, support me, and just hit that like button for me. And also drop a comment down below. If you have any questions, any questions about what I'm talking about today, I will definitely answer your questions in the comment section. Now, before I get into this, I just want to say, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make $6 every 90 seconds without any surveys at all. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and I'll tell you the name of the website in a minute. Now, in the title, I said no surveys. So this is not really a survey site, but actually it's a feedback site. So you're going to be given feedback. So you're going to get questions and you're going to get feedback on those questions about products and businesses on this website. It's going to be real fun and real simple to do. Now, let me just go ahead and read a little bit about this website right quick. It says here, video feedback is the only way to create connections and empathy, helping businesses to thrive. So you're going to be giving your opinion through video. And as you can see here, it's trusted by these companies. These are Fortune 500 companies: eBay, Coca-Cola, Verizon, Nestle, Microsoft. So all these companies right here trust this website. And right here you can view some stories, some success stories right here. They just tell you about their experience on this website and dealing with this company. And you can also actually watch a video right here to better understanding consumer needs to make an impact. So what I'm going to do now is show you how this works. Now they have an app, and that's what you're going to use. You're going to use their app. So let me go ahead and go to their app right now. Okay, I'm at their app, and the name of this app, you may have heard of it before. I've talked about it early last year in 2019. Name of this app is Vox Pop Me. So what you're going to be doing, like I said before, you're going to be giving feedback, but in a video form. So let's just go through this right quick. It says here, you're going to log in with your Facebook or email, browse through the question stream, select a question to answer, use your camera to record a 60 seconds response, and cash out via PayPal. Simple. So that's all you're going to be doing. And you're going to make some pretty good money doing that. I mean, when you start off, you're going to have some cents here, cents there, but you can go all the way up to $6 for each response that you give. Now, let me go ahead and read a little bit more about this right quick. Ever wanted to get paid for your opinion? Introducing Vox Pop Me, a simple way to voice your opinion and make money. This exciting app is a simple way to make money from expressing your views on products, services, adverbs, and more. Brands are asking the questions, offering feedback via PayPal. Offering cash back via PayPal in return for video opinions from consumers like you. It's really simple to use. Just follow the live stream of paid questions, surveys, waiting to be answered. Then select a question, record your video opinion, and receive a cash reward. So that's all you have to do. Now let's scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's a 4.7. That is excellent. Very, very excellent. Now let's just look at one of the reviews here. Right here says, great app. I personally like this app for the questions and payouts. The questions are interesting and surprising, on par with relevant topics in the world of today. Here's one important thing you probably want to know. This person said they cashed out at $15. And they said a payout is usually 50 cents. So this person did $15. But from my knowledge, you can get up to $6 per response. So that person probably did a couple of responses, boom, got paid. So that's it. If you want to read some more reviews, just come to this app, scroll down to the bottom, and check out more reviews. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making some money giving your opinion through video, go ahead and go to voxpopme.com and go to the app in the App Store. All right, now you know how to make $6 every 90 seconds, no surveys. So go ahead and, after this video, go ahead and sign up and start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, direct your attention to the description below and scroll down where it says free giveaways. Now, in order to get these free giveaways, you have to be subscribed to the channel. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, what you need to do is go to the little subscribe button, click it, and it's going to turn colors. After it turns colors, you're all set. Then go ahead and scroll down there in the description, click on free giveaways. It's going to click on this link and it's going to take you to this website, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the website and you're going to see 3 free gifts. And go ahead and download those gifts. They're free from me to you. All right, that's all I have for this video. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me. Help me to get 100 likes, because if I get 100 likes or more, it really helps out this video and helps out my channel. So if you want to keep supporting me and help me out, just do me a little favor and just hit that like button, hit that little thumbs up. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And also drop that hashtag, get your grind on, so you can get a chance to win some free money. And please share this all around the internet and all social networks, forums, blogs. Share this everywhere, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss here in 2020. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it, y'all. One more thing before I go. I want to give a shout out to two people. I want to give a shout out for Tom. Thank you for that comment. Appreciate you checking out my channel. And I want to give a shout out to Stephanie. I can't pronounce your first name, but I know your last name is Stephanie. So I want to say thank you, Stephanie, for dropping that comment. And both of you guys, I hope you subscribe to my channel. You won't be disappointed, because I'm going to keep dropping content. Now, if you want to get your name shouted out in one of my videos, drop a comment, especially drop hashtag get your grind on, and I might shout your name out in the next video. All right, that's it. Thank you, grind family. I appreciate it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.